Welcome to Brighton Beach, a hidden gem on the Bluff in Durban, rich in both natural beauty and history. This peaceful stretch of coastline has long been a favorite for locals seeking a tranquil escape from the city, offering stunning views of the Indian Ocean and golden sands perfect for relaxation. Brighton Beach is home to a unique tidal pool, built in the early 1900s, providing a safe and serene swimming spot that still stands as a testament to Durban's rich maritime history. The tidal pool was originally constructed to give swimmers protection from the strong ocean currents and has since become a beloved feature of the Bluff. Historically, the Bluff itself has served as an important landmark for Durban, with its high cliffs once guiding ships safely into the harbor. During World War II, the area was fortified to defend Durban's port from potential threats, and remnants of old military installations can still be found around the Bluff. As you enjoy the breathtaking views from above, you might also be lucky enough to spot dolphins playing in the surf, or, in winter, witness the migration of humpback whales passing by just off the coast. Brighton Beach isn't just a destination for beachgoers. It's a place where history, nature, and community come together, offering a truly authentic experience on Durban's Bluff.